Are you having trouble sleeping? You're not alone. Did you know that about 1 out of every 3 adults around the world has problems sleeping, and around 10% of adults have insomnia? That's a big number. But why? What's making it hard for you to sleep at night? Let's discuss it. Unresolved emotional issues. Unresolved emotional issues can significantly impact your ability to sleep well. If you've ever experienced a heavy feeling in your chest that kept you tossing and turning all night, it could be a sign of underlying emotional issues. These unresolved emotions can weigh heavily on your mind, making it difficult to relax and fall asleep. It's essential to seek support and talk to someone about these emotional burdens, especially if they are affecting your sleep quality. Addressing these issues can help you find peace of mind and improve your overall sleep health. Stress, anxiety, and overthinking. The busy nature of our daily lives can have a significant impact on our mental well-being. As we wind down for bedtime, our brains often replay all the worries and stresses of the day. This can lead to racing thoughts and heightened stress levels, making it challenging to relax and prepare for sleep. To prevent this, it's essential to calm your mind before bedtime using relaxation techniques like deep breathing. Additionally, keeping a bedside journal can be helpful for jotting down any lingering thoughts, allowing you to unload your mind and ease into a more restful sleep. Screen time before bed. Many of us are guilty of spending too much time on our phones before bedtime, right? It's easy to get lost in a digital rabbit hole of endless scrolling or late night binge watching. However, did you know that this habit disrupts our body's natural circadian rhythm? It overstimulates our brains, and the artificial blue light emitted by screens interferes with the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep. That's why experts recommend avoiding screen time at least an hour before bed, or if that's not possible, reducing the screen's brightness and switching to black and white mode to minimize stimulation. For bedroom rituals. What do you usually do before going to bed? Most people might say they wash their face or brush their teeth. But because our bodies like routines, it's helpful to have bedtime rituals that tell us it's time to relax and sleep. So try doing something calming like gentle yoga, reading, or listening to a podcast before bed to help you fall asleep faster. Lack of exposure to natural light. Another reason why you struggle to sleep may be because of a lack of exposure to natural light. Do you spend most of your day indoors or in dimly lit places? Experts recommend getting at least 30 minutes of natural sunlight daily to regulate your body's internal clock and promote a healthy sleep-wake cycle. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals before bed. You should avoid caffeine and heavy meals before bed because they can interfere with your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. Caffeine is a stimulant that can keep you awake and alert, making it difficult to wind down for sleep. Heavy meals can cause indigestion and discomfort, making it uncomfortable to lie down and relax. Additionally, both caffeine and heavy meals can increase the likelihood of nighttime trips to the bathroom, disrupting your sleep further. To promote better sleep, it's best to avoid consuming caffeine and heavy meals at least a few hours before bedtime. Do you have any helpful tips you'd like to share in the comments down below? If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and sweet dreams.